So let's use the Husqvarna electric battery powered chainsaw. Take the battery, put it in, snap it in. Now this is what, 14 inch?
Yes.
14-inch chainsaw with the bar, Husqvarna, battery powered, just as strong as the gas. Easy. Nice looking chainsaw. They got in the battery power. They got the battery powder, hedge trimmer. They have the pole saws, all really strong. Peach Country Tractor, Husqvarna, Fertilizer Credit Seminar. Come check us out. 1463 North Tuckahoe Road, Williamstown, New Jersey. Peach Country, Husqvarna, Fertilizer.